Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, July 29, 2021. Residents of Adelphi and its environs in St. James will soon begin to enjoy the services of a new modern health center being built in the community. Construction is close to completion with only minor work left to be done. The Ministry of Health and Wellness will also be paving the grounds of the facility. The project is being undertaken by the Jamaica Social Investment Fund, JCCD, at a cost of more than $40 million. Grant funding was provided by the European Union. The previous building had several challenges, including inadequate office space and sanitary facilities, a leaking roof and a collapsed section of the ceiling, as well as an inadequate sewage management system. The new health center will include a pharmacy, dental offices, sterilization and nebulization rooms, consultation rooms, offices for the public health inspector and for registration and records, restrooms, laundry room, and a lunchroom or kitchenette. The Ministry of National Security is expanding its We Transform Mentorship Program in 12 volatile communities across Kingston. The program is being administered through the Crime Prevention and Community Safety Unit of the ministry. It will pair at-risk and unattached youth with mentors who are expected to impart valuable life skills and foster the emotional and social development of the young people. The first successful pairing session took place last week, where mentors were encouraged to develop strategic plans to assist the mentees achieve self-actualization. The mentorship tenure is for 1 year, and the program comprises 200 mentors. We Transform was launched in 2018 and continues to focus on the rehabilitation and reintegration of youth offenders within the island's 4 juvenile correctional facilities. The Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development is reporting that 98% of shelters in Western Jamaica are equipped and ready for any system that may occur in the ongoing 2021 hurricane season. Portfolio Minister Desmond McKenzie toured several of the facilities in St. Elizabeth recently. He says these shelters meet the requirements stipulated by the Ministry of Health and the Jamaica Fire Brigade.
I want to commend the schools, the principals and the administrative staff for the various schools, not just in Western Jamaica, but in the other parishes that we have visited over the last 6 weeks, that continue to demonstrate a certain level of responsibility in working with the Office of Disaster Preparedness and the municipal corporations in getting ready for the hurricane season.
He says the ministry will also be intensifying its public education campaign on hurricane preparedness through ODPEM and the local authorities. Government is a step closer to increasing the fire service capacity on the island. Minister of Local Government and Rural Development Desmond McKenzie says so far 50% of the fleet of new trucks earmarked for the island have been delivered. The other trucks are on their way.
The government continues to strive to improve your conditions here. Well, 15 trucks are here and an additional 15 is coming by the end of September.
Minister McKenzie was speaking recently during a tour of the Falmouth Fire Station, which is among those set to benefit from the new trucks. And finally, registered members of the Jamaica Council for Persons with Disabilities, JCCD, are being encouraged to apply for the various benefits available through the organization. Executive Director of the Council, Dr. Christine Hendricks, tells JIS News that registered members can get access to over 200 assistive devices. These include wheelchairs, crutches, and white canes acquired through the Ministry of Finance's We Care program. To get the devices, persons will need to complete an application form available at the JCPD's head office at 18 Ripon Road in Kingston or any of the Ministry of Labour and Social Security's offices island-wide. And Economic Empowering Grant is also available, where persons can access between $30,000 and $150,000 to start a business. Dr. Hendricks says the JCPD is also accepting applications for the Margaret Moody Scholarship, which will close on August 31 for students pursuing studies at the tertiary level. Other benefits available include back-to-school support for children with disabilities at all levels of the education system. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.